Hello, I'm Diogo from AFN and I'm here to run you through some of the specs of the AFN Rear Bumper for your Land Cruiser 250. This rear bumper was developed taking into account some very important points such as: number 1, protecting mechanical components in case of an impact. Number 2, improving the visual aspect of the vehicle, always following the original lines. Number 3, improving off-road performance. Number 4, integrated wheel carrier. Number 5, rated recovery points. AFN has developed a wheel carrier system that you can use different offsets without any problem at all. So the system consists on a big nut here on the back where you can adjust. There's a locking bolt on the back, and this plastic prevents damaging the rim. As we can see, there is a plate that locks the nut, the big bolt, so he avoids to undo. And also inside there's one bearing on the bottom and one bearing on the top, and this is the locking mechanism for the arm. AFN objective has always been to develop its products with the following characteristics. Number 1, not cutting the OEM bumper. We were the first company in the world to do so. Number 2, we maintain all OEM features: parking sensors, rear camera, radar and side road assistance sensor. Number 3, we designed it to be compatible with OEM Tow Hitch. And last but not least, we aim it to be easy to install. Visit our website to find your local distributor to purchase yours. Thank you.